Seamark XPT8400 Dual X-ray Source CD System, specifically designed for high-precision inspection of medium and large components. Dual source configuration. One device for two purposes. The system can be equipped with 450 kV small focus radiation source, thick-walled penetration, specializing in large castings, aerospace components, 225 kV micro focus radiation source, high-resolution imaging, detect subtle defects with high-precision component. One device, two X-ray sources. Our X-ray achieves excellent penetration and ultra-fine imaging resolution. Wide field of view, high precision. Detector, effective area, 430 millimeters. 30 to 7 pixel matrix. Detection range, detection diameter, 601,000 millimeters. Can support a weight of 100 kilograms. 7-axis marble-based mechanical system. Stability and unity combined. The large workpiece can fit inside. Small defects cannot be avoided. Dual mode, quick scan plus precision measurement. 2D pattern. Rapid DR screening with instant localization. 3D pattern. High-resolution CD volume reconstruction. Microscale analysis. Standard VEG Studio Max. Bubble analysis. Dimensional measurement. CAD comparison. Grayscale analysis. Grid section slice. Complete the process from data to report in one step. Bring industrial CD inspection truly into the realm of high precision, high coverage. The era of dual X-ray source, highly efficient and reliable systems.